everyone, welcome back to the channel While Gwan Tours. I hope you're all having a great time. We are in the lovely Old Town Albufeira and we're going to take a night walk and see While Gwan. You guys all know the vibe. So we're in the main square at the moment. I'm going to be talking quite loud because obviously there's a lot of music and for copyright reasons we don't want to get caught out. But yeah, so you got all the bars, evening. Vertigo, Central Station. If you watched any of my day videos, I did say it does get really busy in the evening. And we started the video at TikTok Bar, which is like the other side. So yeah, absolutely rammed in there, as you guys can see.
Join us for karaoke tonight.
We're okay, thank you. So yeah, you got karaoke in that one. Buddies is still doing food and drinks. And then we're going to go to like the main bit now. So again, Old Town is a little bit more family central. You're going to get more of, I don't know, older clientele, I guess. But it is a good mix.
I don't know, because you've got still the stag boys.
Yeah, no, you do. But then from about 12-1, they go to the new strip. So it's sort of like a little mix. So yeah.
You got Nuno one.
You guys are watching, maybe have a shot every time you see a stag or a hen do. Got some music. Right, try and get through. Evening. So you got Nuna's there singing. If you come to Old Town, you always have to make sure you see Nuna's. Now between this time. And now Thursday at Lolo Lounge. Right, let's keep going. Yeah. Really, really busy along here. It's quite nice because a lot of the bars put tables and stuff outside and whole streets and everything to get like really packed. Especially during like busy season. So usually this will be like really rammed. It's still, I suppose, relatively early, isn't it?
What time is it?
It's just coming up for 10, I believe.
10 o'clock?
Yeah. Which is when most of the music acts are on, between sort of 9 and 10. So that's when you really want to be out. And then we got Meat on the corner and Vegas Bar. We stayed here a few times. Again, always has their live music. Alright, let's swing round. So we've got karaoke in this one. Lots of people having fun and a good time. Got a bride over there. So if you are playing a shotting game, that's a shot. So we've got Uno Bar, again live music. Got the Underdogs. A little bit more evening, yeah, and then obviously the famous Piccadilly. We got the DMC. Yeah, so check this one out. And they've all got these enclosures now to try and keep the acts in because you can't do live performances on the streets.
For the weather.
And for the weather as well, yeah. Got a malfunction. Really nice comfy seats here, depending on what you find comfortable. They're sort of more slouchy, which is nice. Right, so yeah. keep going. Get another little chilled area, music, got your families out and everything. It's a little bit more chilly at this time of year in the evening, so you do get fires and blankets, which is nice. This one wasn't open today, but is usually Mexican restaurant. And then straight ahead, you've got the YOLO Lounge. So basically just done like a loop of Old Town, and we've gone around to sort of the areas that are busy for this type of evening, just to show you the kind of music, the acts and the atmosphere and what you can expect if you do come out to Old Town Albufeira. Right, so let's see what we've got out this side. So really nicely lit, with all the little fairy lights, very pretty. And then, oh yeah, and if you have seen, depending on when this one comes out, if you've seen the interview with Paolo, who does Albufeira Paradise, then you'll be able to see us talking about this road as we walk up to the Three Harps and what it looks like from night to day, because it is completely different. It really does come to life, Old Town, in the evening. So we've got, I suppose, more of the Irish bars. Go. And then we got this one, the Three Hearts, which we've been in quite a few times. Got really nice terrace. They've got live music, it sounds like, going on in there. Very nice. A few nice little restaurants as well. And then just coming up to the corner, we have one of the first bars I think we went to when we first came here. Yeah. So always still got some good memories. Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, we should actually. Nice and quiet.
Sherry's.
Yes, Sherry's bar. I believe it was, yeah. We sat in that corner, didn't we? So yeah, we'll probably go back there and get a glass of wine. And then we got a little one hidden here, so let's have a quick look. Ah yeah, the Geordie Viking. And then this is also where you get the bolts, isn't it? Taxis, you get down the main bit of the Old Town. And then this is our favourite, Indian Spice Lounge. If you haven't tried it, I really highly recommend. We've never had a bad meal there, so comment below if you've been, if you want to go, if you have, and you also think it's awesome. And then straight down, it heads us straight back into the heart of it, so really easy to get your way around, do a little bar crawl and see what's going on. So don't forget to like and subscribe, really does help push the content if you're new. Hope you're enjoying it. Check out all our other content and we'll see you guys on the next one.